morning, my dear kids. Today I'm here to give you the solution of the worksheet which I gave you for the practice work yesterday. But before that, let's have a quick recap of big and small by an activity. Okay, children. So now can you see in this basket I have some objects which are same but they are different in size. There are some big objects and some small objects. So we are going to stick big and small objects together and make pairs of those objects on this paper sheet. So let's start. So now can you see this is big smiley and this is small smiley. So we will stick them together with a glue. You can also use Fevistick or whatever you have at your home. Take the help of your mama. Big smiley, and now I will take small smiley. Like this. Now this is a hand fan. So this is big fan and this is small fan. So we will stick them together. Here fan and here small fan. Now we will find some other objects. Okay, what is this? This is tree. Let's find another tree. Okay, I got it. So, which is big? This is big tree and this is small tree. So first we will stick the big tree. Now I'll take the small tree. Like this. So big smiley, small smiley, big fan, small fan, big tree, small tree. Now I have another sheet. Let's find other objects. Okay, so what is this, children? Balloons. Big balloon, small balloon. So now let's stick balloons. Big balloon and small balloon. Now let's find something else. Okay, what is this? A beautiful flower. Okay, these are flowers. So this is big flower and this is small flower. Let's stick them. Okay, now, oh wow, what is this? These are balls. Big ball and small ball. Let's stick them. Big ball and next to big ball we will stick a small ball. Now these are leaves. This is big leaf and this is small leaf. Let's stick them. So can you see this, children? Wow, see? Big balloon, small balloon, big flower, small flower, big ball, small ball, big leaf, small leaf. Did you enjoy this activity? Now, I will give you the solution of the worksheet. In this worksheet, You had to color a small balloon and a big ball. I have colored a small balloon with yellow color and a big ball with red color. I hope you all have done the same way. Well done, kids. Kids, I hope you all have enjoyed learning through my videos and also enjoyed all the activities. Bye-bye for today. Take care. Have a nice day.